Hey guys, I'm sure to make the water bomb. Very easy to make. Now let's start. First you need this paper, a short or long, but you're gonna need square paper for it. This. Now let's start how to make this way. First you need the paper like this. Look me like this. Look me like this. So I'm gonna fold it down. Fold it down like this. You're gonna make a square paper. Very easy to make for the square paper, right? Now, just wait for a second, guys. Now, I'm sorry about that, man. Start. We're gonna fold the paper like this. But I'm gonna wait first. It's my choice. I have art paper. You can use art paper if you want. I don't have the versions for origami. I have the visuals for boomers. I'm gonna stop there. Now let's start by the paper. I'm gonna fold the paper right down like this. Please arrange it. Please arrange it. Now you can cut the excess of the paper. You fold it like this. I'm gonna cut the excess, turn the item over, turn the item over. Gonna, gonna fold the excess. Now you're gonna unfold the triangle and gonna run your finger. No, it's not be like that. Please, pay attention. I'm gonna add the volume. Now please, pay attention. Now you're gonna rip the excess. Please pay attention that this is gonna hurt. Rip the excess. I'm gonna rip the excess. I have the excess. You already have the excess. It must be like this excess and you can repeat, repeat, repeat. Now you're gonna fold it like this triangle and the other direction. Your creases must have like this. Must be have a cross. If you have a cross, if you don't see it, I'm gonna make another one. Just comment below, and you're gonna fold it down like this, and half sideways. Now you have a cross with a line. Now you're gonna tuck the corner in to make a flap. There to make a flap. See? Do the same with the other side. Pay attention. Because this is a laptop camera. That's why you can see a lot. I'm gonna fold it like this. Fold it like a diamond. See? Fold this to this. And you can do that for the remaining three. Do it for the remaining three. Now you have it like a diamond. Now you're gonna fold the flaps. Fold the flaps in. Fold the flaps here. Here. Fold the flaps like this. Like this. Like this. Do that for the tree. Do that for the tree, okay. Must be the same shape, so it's kind of cool. So you still have still have one flap. Now you're gonna enter this flap to the pocket inside that you made. Open the pocket. Open the pocket. This. Gonna insert the flap. There. You can do that for the remaining three. If you can't see, I'm gonna make another one. Please comment if you can't see. I'm gonna make another one. I don't do fast forwards. I can't change it. So you cannot skip the 5 for like that for the 6 minutes and 6 minutes and 45 seconds. I can't do that. I'm gonna fold this. Now when you're done, we're gonna fold it in half like this. You don't, you must don't see the flaps. You can't see the inside, you see the outside. Now you're gonna rotate the rim. Now you're gonna blow the hole. I'm not sure about that. This must be this. Now you're done. Now, wait 1 second. Now you're done. I'm gonna make more videos. This is our first time to make a video. For more information, just comment. Subscribe me, please subscribe. Now, done. Bye guys. See you. These videos all, I do videos every Saturday. New videos every Saturday. But this is my first video on Monday. Done. Bye guys.